Windows Recall records your screen activity and stores it locally, including sensitive apps and documents. That creates a privacy and security risk many users aren't comfortable with. In this video, I'll show you how to disable it using a simple registry change so it stays off and under your control. And at the end, I will also show you my recall control utility, which automates this safely and is available from the pinned comment. Before we make any changes, let us quickly confirm whether the recall feature actually exists on this PC. Open PowerShell as administrator. Right-click on the Start button and select PowerShell Admin or Terminal Administrator. Now type the following command: get Windows optional feature online. Find str recall and press enter. If you see an output like this, that means the recall feature is present on your system and can be controlled or disabled. If nothing shows up, recall is not installed on your PC and there's nothing to disable. To disable it, first we need to open the Windows Registry Editor. Press Windows key plus R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Now type Registry and press enter. Next, we need to navigate to the correct location inside the registry. Expand HKey local machine. Then expand software. Then policies. Then Microsoft. And finally, click on Windows. Now, under the Windows folder in the registry, we are going to create a new key. If you already see a folder named Recall, you can skip this step. Otherwise, right-click on Windows, choose New, then click Key. Name the new key Recall. The key name must be exact and press Enter. With the Recall key selected on the left, move to the right-hand pane. Right-click on an empty area, choose New, then select the word 32-bit value. Name this new value AllowRecallEnablement, exactly as shown on screen. Now double-click the new value and set the value data to 0. 0 means recall is disabled. Make sure the base is set to hexadecimal and click OK. This setting tells Windows not to allow recall to run. Finally, close the registry editor and restart your PC to apply the change. At this point, Windows recall is disabled at the system level. Your screen activity is no longer being captured and your privacy is protected. If you would rather not touch the registry at all, I made a simple tool that automates it safely. Get the recall control utility from the pinned download link in the comment section. It checks, disables, verifies, and lets you undo changes back to default. Here I'm checking whether the recall is actually present. No guessing, no assumptions. And once you are done, it walks you back to the dashboard, so you always stay in control. If you ever want to undo the change, one click restores the default behavior. It doesn't force anything on. And disabling recall uses the exact same policy method you saw earlier, just automated, explained, and guarded. Finally, you can verify the protection is active. So you are not just trusting a message, you are seeing the system state. If you want a calm, safe way to manage this without digging through Windows terminals, I have pinned the tool in the comments. No subscriptions, just a small utility you can run when you need it.